In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Classroom quiz using the step-by-step guide for 2025. Whether you're a teacher aiming to engage your students more effectively, or simply someone new to using online tools for educational purposes, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight in and create that quiz. Start by navigating to Google Classroom and accessing your subject dashboard. This is your control center where you will create and manage all your classwork. The dashboard is intuitive and designed to make your workflow as smooth as possible. Once you're there, the next step is to click on Classwork. This tab is where you can organize all your assignments, materials, and yes, quizzes. It's an essential space for keeping everything related to your class neatly arranged and easily accessible. Now, look for the Create button. Clicking on it will present you with several options for generating new class materials. We're interested in the quiz assignment option, so go ahead and select that. Creating a quiz assignment allows integration with Google Forms, a powerful tool for collecting data and a seamless way to create interactive quizzes. After selecting quiz assignment, Google Classroom will provide a default blank quiz within Google Forms. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open a new tab with the Google Forms interface ready for your input. Google Forms is an incredibly flexible platform, allowing you to design a quiz precisely as you need. Here you can set multiple choice questions, checkboxes, or even short and long answer questions, depending on the requirement. Now it's time to get creative and write your quiz. With Google Forms, you have the freedom to add as many questions as needed. You can customize each question's format and even provide answer choices with feedback to guide your students as they complete the quiz. You can also set specific settings such as making questions required, assigning points for grading, and even adding media like images or videos to enhance the questions. Once you've crafted your questions in the quiz, you're ready to adjust the quiz settings to fit your needs. Google Forms allows you to enable options like collecting email responses or limiting responses to just one per student, depending on your classroom policy. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can create an engaging and functional quiz that will help assess your students' understanding efficiently. Remember, the key to a successful quiz is clear, concise questions and an intuitive layout that guides your students smoothly through the test. Thank you for joining me today. Happy teaching and